Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to how to turn on and off keyboard sound while you have using the keyboard. You have listen the keyboard sound on your iPhone while you have typing the keyboard on your iPhone. So then you have how to turn on and off on iPhone keyboard sound. So you have want the turn off keyboard sound, so you have open the setting, click on sound and haptics, so you have scroll up, then you have click the keyboard clicks, then turn off. While you have I told the new iPhone models, iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then this model is available on this option. So keyboard feedback, then you have click, and then sounds turn on and off, sounds, then you have keyboard sounds turn on and off, then you have while use the iPhone add. So then this option keyboard click, then you have turn on and off. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.